In this video, I'll show you how to use a Peacock gift subscription. Step 1. Purchase a Peacock gift subscription. Go to Peacock's official gift card page or authorized retailers. Choose your subscription type, monthly or annual gift card. Step 2. Send the gift subscription. Provide the recipient's email address where the gift will be sent. Add a personalized message if desired, then complete payment. Step 3. Recipient redeems gift. The recipient receives an email with redemption instructions. They need to log in or create a Peacock account to redeem the gift. Step 4. Activate subscription. Follow the included link or enter the gift code on the Peacock site. Once activated, the subscription is added to the recipient's account. Step 5. Manage gift subscription. The recipient can manage their subscription in their Peacock account settings. Renew, cancel, or upgrade plans as needed. Now I have tips for using Peacock gift subscriptions. Verify recipient's email before sending. Remind recipients to check spam folders for gift emails. And gift subscriptions cannot be redeemed on free accounts and require sign in. And that's how gift subscriptions on Peacock work. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.